So in this video we're gonna be learning how to make this trending Apple style text animation inside After Effects. Let's get it. So first up we're gonna make a new composition, make it 1920 by 1080 and 60 frames. Press OK, press Ctrl and T and you're able to make a text layer. Let's name it Apple Text Animation. Go to your paragraph, make sure it's centered, then go to align. Press align horizontally and align vertically. And then we can do Ctrl Alt plus Home, and this makes the anchor point to the center. Now we can open up the text file over here, and then we see animate over here, and we're gonna select position and opacity. Make sure you're on the beginning of the clip, and we're gonna make opacity 0, and on position make sure you're on the second values over here and write 100. Now go to the range selector 1 over here, open it up, and then go to advanced and make sure your based on is not on characters but on words, and then go to shape and make sure you're not on square and make sure you are on ramp up. And then on ease high we're gonna write -50, and on ease low we're gonna write 100. Then scroll up a little bit where it says offset, and then we're gonna make a keyframe over here and we're gonna write -100, and then go forward a little bit. Let's do this and write 100. Then we can highlight the keyframes and press F9. And to make it look real nice, we can put some glow on it. You can use deep glow if you have that. Put the glow threshold to like 100, around there. Glow radius a little bit more. Glow intensity maybe a little lower. And there we have it. We have a nice Apple text animation, and it only takes a few seconds to make. And if you want to make your life even easier, I've made a Mogart for Premiere Pro that you can just drag and drop in Premiere Pro, and you can just edit the text and you're ready to go. Super easy, and the link is in the description.